Hi, in this video I will show you how to restore WhatsApp message on the iPhone. So right now I am on the Android, but you have to follow the same procedure on the iPhone with the iCloud. So first of all, open your WhatsApp, and if you don't have, simply download it from your Play Store, and after that click on the agree and the continue and enter your number here. Once you will enter your number, and you have to enter your code here that you will receive on your phone, and after that you have to click on the continue and give allow. Now you will see same page like this on the iPhone. You have to simply click on the restore. You can only find this page if you have backup on your iCloud account. If you don't have, you will not get any notification like this, or you can't find your backup on your phone. So your all messages will lost if you don't have backup on your iCloud. So after that click on the restore, and once you will click on the restore, your backup is restored on your phone, and click on the next. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.